Hi everyone, Nancy Wethington here with you today with my next Button Farm Club kit. It is a travel journal using Stamperia's Voyage Fantastique. That's French for Voyage Fantastic. Fantastic Voyage. And yes, I have my coffee today. So I have been up for several hours, and with my coffee, I think I can explain this to you. But first, I want to show you how your kit comes, just so you're not bothered by it when you get it. This is the base. It's put together for you with pages, and each page is an insert. Now also, can you see that? Also, so we didn't lose track of your magnets, you will need 2 sets of magnets for the closure of this book. And these are pretty strong magnets, so if you could take these somewhere, not here, they don't stay on these pages, they're just there to get them to your home from Button Farm Club. So once you have those, take those off the page and put them somewhere you know where they are for use later. Okay, so here we go. This will become this strap handle. Okay. These 2 little guys, you see those? Those will become these buckles, or pretend buckles, faux buckles, since we're talking French here. And then you have inserts. So the way I put my inserts is like this, and these will fit right inside each of these pockets. See? Easy peasy, huh? Okay, the next thing you have is this small pocket fold up. Excuse me. That will become this little pocket fold up on the front of the page. Pardon me. And all you need to do is fold these on the dotted line, glue this together. It is dimensional. So you have this little seam here and a seam on the bottom. And seams on the side. And that all folds together, it gets glued down, and then this wraps around and closes. And I give you more directions on your, on the directions. Maybe I haven't had enough coffee yet. Alright, this, do the same thing with, only it's much larger. Let me back up a little bit. And that is a large pocket for the back of the book. And that will hold many more photos if you want it to. Or journaling, whatever you want. Okay, now, once you have your book decorated according to what the directions tell you, you're going to put the top onto the base. So this is your base. This is the top. You'll notice it has holes already pre-punched for you. There we go. And it's perforated already. So you're going to fold it on the dotted lines. Okay. Once this top is decorated, you're going to take the handle and match 4 holes to 4 holes. And attach the handles down with brads, and that becomes your handle. Then once the back is decorated, and I hope this isn't too confusing, but this will all be laid out in the directions, I promise, step by step. This top piece here gets attached to the back, like so. And that's how your book comes together. Okay, the magnets, one will be put on this side with a matching one underneath. One will be put on this bottom side with a matching one underneath. And again, that all shows up in your directions. So let's get to the inside of the book. Let me get all this set aside. And here we go. So this is the front of your book. This is what I just showed you. Match the 4 holes and attach the brads. This is your handle, and look at how nice and strong those magnets are. That you can pick this up and those magnets still hold that. These are your straps with the buckles that I showed you. This is the small front pocket and the large back pocket. Now what I've done, because this is a travel journal, in your kit you have a small compass, and it's tied on with wax linen thread. All these little gears and things are in your kit. It all comes in your kit. We're going to open it up, and here is the lid. So it shows the Voyage Fantastiques. We have a little calendar here, travel calendar. We're going to open it up again, and this is the inside page. Look at that image. It is just gorgeous. I was honestly thinking about putting a pocket on this page because there's plenty of room for it. However, I could not get myself to cover this image. I think it's just beautiful. I love Stamperia paper, if you haven't already noticed that. Alright, so this is the front of page 1. You will be creating this clip that holds the pages together. These flip out. We have 1 flip, cool bicycle, 2 flips, and then a short pocket with an insert. It's all part of your papers. Okay, fold that up. We're going to clip this together. That holds your pages together. And then you have an insert. This is your first insert. I kept them pretty plain because, first of all, you know you're going to have a few leftovers, because that's what I like to do in case you want to add them to your photos. And secondly, I wanted to leave enough room for your photos. So you can add embellishments later that will be left over. This book was meant to open this way, so all of these pages are oriented that way. And the back side of the page 1 is just a belly band, and I took some really cool images and just tucked them inside the belly band. Next page, another interactive with this hot air balloon ship. I don't know what to call it, but I loved it. Opens up. Now this will close with, and you'll get these in your kits, a small round Velcro that's clear. And they are in your kit, so there's one on this side and one on this side. They match. I would suggest not putting this one on until your photo is here, just so you don't cover up this Velcro. This flips up. Cool images, huh? Yep, love that. And we're going to close it again, and another insert in the pocket. That's page 2. The back of page 2, I did a side pocket with a map. This map paper, you can do anything with it. It's the entire world map. So you can cut the part of it that maybe pertains to your travels. And then on these, I just clipped some images from the paper pack that I loved and stuck them in here. By the way, if you've never seen my husband, this is what he looks like. This is what I look like in person. And yes, I do wear that hat. Okay, we're moving on. Sorry. I have had enough coffee, haven't I? Maybe too much. All right, so this cute skate key is in your kit. How cool is that? So I've taken a clip, added the escape key to the clip, and that becomes the closure for this page. Adventure is popped up, and then we're going to open to the side. This I cut out from, scoot it over so you can see it. You can tuck something behind that if you want. Obviously not as big as this, but you can tuck a little card inside there. And this adventure is waiting, so adventure is popped up. Open it up. Is waiting is popped up. Open it up again for those who dare to dream. And then we have another flip here for more photos, and I put some lined paper here for your journaling. Close it up. Put my cute little key back on there. And again, the insert is pretty plain, just so you can add photos to it. And then we go to the back. In the back is another side pocket. Love those clocks too. And then inserts. And you can use whatever inserts you want. Cute, huh? Okay, next page. This is page number 4. I don't know what you call these. They're like page turners or something. I'm not sure what they are called. With some gears. So you're going to open that up. Directions are in there on how to include all this in your kit, or how to attach it to your page. Sorry, I'm moving the camera by accident. Alright, so we're going to open and open, and this side open and open. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9 photos just on that page alone. Then you would thread it back up, and of course your insert for that pocket. Then the last page is a belly band. Whoops, there he goes. With a little tag inside. And then the inside back cover. I wanted to show you this because it was funny. One of my girls was looking at this over the weekend. I was with Laura Doss from Button Farm Club. She is amazing to work with. Best club out there. And one of my girls was looking at this book. And she said, "Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry I tore this." And I said, "No, you didn't. I tore it before you." So you could add another little tag there, or you could also add a tag in the pocket down here. So either way, you can add both if you want for more photos. Okay? Then the inside back cover, again, is the Voyage Fantastique. These are covered. Your magnets will be hidden under here. And we're going to close it up. Swing the compass to the front. Yeah, it works. And the back envelope. So it also is closed with one of the Velcro clear dots. And I've added a bunch of cards inside that will hold photos. So that's my book for this month, July 2019. I hope you love it. Of course, it will be on the Button Farm Club, and I think Laura is going to put it on Wednesday or Thursday of this week. That would be July 24th or 25th. So enjoy. I hope you liked it, and let me know if you do sign up and get the kit. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you, and bye.